Hi Buffett, we back Buffett, we back with another video Buffett, we back again. So this Mapisa Ngakula's case has been continuing Buffett. He was back in court sometime this week and the witnesses are singing shame lo mama lo. Yo, yabona corruption. Corruption will eventually caught up with you. Especially when you're not friends with people, the right people. She probably pissed off some people. They pissed off Ramaphosa or someone who powerful. Now she's paying for all that. Yeah. Valentle Butale has written, witness tells court Mapisa Ngakura requested 300,000 after securing 79 million defense contract. Yeah, I wonder are they delivering now? Because this contract might be bribe waganja. I wonder. Pofawa SA defense it tells you that the defense is not defending. The defense force is going down. Everything is. Amasoja are not soldiering. There were two soldiers who passed away sometime, meaning that the training is not adequate enough when they were going to Zamazama and to raid the Zamazamas. So they slipped up with some mud, something, some mud situation, and they drowned through the mud. So it was a very bad situation. Then Abu Mapisa and their friends are stealing money for these people to be trained. And this money should be sent over, should be used to send our soldiers in best trainings overseas so that they come back ready for anything. I mean anything. It was said what happened. Key state witness Mnombasa Ntsondwa Ndlovu took the stand took the stand in Nosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula's corruption trial at the Pretoria High Court. Ntsondwa Ndlovu described how a suspended 104 million defense contract led to a series of cash requests after a meeting with the former speaker. The state alleges Mapisa Nqakula solicited 4.55 million and received 2.15 million in cash bribe while serving as defense minister. And remember, these people are getting paid. They don't use their money, their salaries for anything. They're getting allowance, food allowance, car allowance, your housing allowance. I have some greedy politicians, but one of the greedy politicians, I think in the world. I mean, South African politicians are the greedy. I think African, let me not, African black politicians are, and they the dumbest. A key state witness in the corruption trial of former National Assembly Speaker Nosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula told the Pretoria High Court on Wednesday that the former speaker personally approached her for a 300,000 loan. Yeah, abantu bagrade. Nombasa Ntsondwa Ndlovu, sole director of logistic company Umkhombe Marine, is testifying against Mapisa Nqakula, who has pleaded not guilty to charges of soliciting more than 4 million, accepting 2.15 million in cash bribes during her tenure as defense minister. The state indictment alleges that conduct occurred between December 2016 and July 2019. How Umkhombe Marine contract led to cash demand in Ntsondwa Ndlovu explained to the court that Umkhombe Marine secured a logistic and cargo contract with the South African National Defence Force to transport military supplies across the African continent. A 104 million contract was subsequently suspended without explanation, prompting her to initiate legal action against the military. Before the matter reached a judge, she testified that military official offered her an alternative 79 million contract on the condition that she withdrew the lawsuit. She accepted those terms. Yeah. Following a meeting with Mapisa Nqakula, Ntsondwa Ndlovu said the cash request began. The first was for 300,000, then 400,000, with several further demands to follow. Ntsondwa Ndlovu told the court that the first request came through the late Secretary for Defense, Dr. Sam Gulube, who said he is requesting it on behalf of the speaker. She handed over the cash, telling the court the funds came from a safe at her home. Nihlanza nemali ezingaka emasifini wena. Hayi, these people. Witness describes trans Witness describes transporting concealed cash. Ntsondwa Ndlovu told the court she sometimes carried as much as 800,000 in concealed cash on her person while delivering cargo to destination including the Democratic Republic of Congo and Dar es Salaam in Tanzania. When questioned by the defense about whether Mapisa Ngakula had any role in awarding either the 79 million or 104 million rand contract, Sondandlo said she was not aware of such an involvement. The state alleges that Mapisa Ngakula sought a total of 4.55 million in cash and other benefits from the contract, ultimately receiving 2.15 million over a 3-year period. Mapisa Ngakula denies all charges and trial continues. Mapisa Ngakula slams parliamentary uh, so Mapisa Ngakula, in my hypothesis or my theory, is that she went against Ramaphosa, or she's not in good terms with the side Ramaphosa. That's why they're persecuting her now. Because come on now, there's a lot of them who are still in cash as we speak now, but they're not being prosecuted and stuff. So yeah, now she probably went against Ramaphosa, and now she's paying the price. Anyway, we'll take any one of them. I will take any one of them. Anyone who's going down, I say like these people one by one. This is an elephant. We'll take it bit by bit. We'll eat it bit by bit. So nje. Oh, one of nje make say kingeni ring mathateng. We should rejoice as South African citizens. We should rejoice. And Bafethu, please subscribe, please like Bafethu. Let us grow the page Bafethu.